Today I'm taking a look at this kitchen cart that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box, get it put together, and check it out. And this is everything out of the box. Real simple installations, just like putting together one of those wire shelves, except you can choose between just feet right here in this bag, or you have two locking casters. These swivel, and then you also have two non-locking casters that swivel. So all four of the casters swivel. You put the handle on just like you would the shelves. The plastic pieces to lock it in are right here. And you have some extra hooks and a little wrench there to help you get the casters on. All of that's in the manual, so let's get to it, get this thing put together. And here it is, all put together. And I do gotta say, it was really simple to put together, especially if you have put those wire shelves like that together before, because they just have those little plastic snaps that go around the legs and then they just slide on. And they hold really well. So I do really like this cart. It is big. I mean, this is a good platform up here. So you've got a nice size kitchen cart that can really hold a lot. Another cool thing about this one is it's got kind of a basket shelf right here. So this is like a regular flat shelf that you would have for, these kind of like wire shelving. But on here, it's, deeper, and it's got like a nice basket to it. It's still a shelf, but it'll keep things from like rolling off, stuff like that. So I like it a lot. And it rolls really well. It's got, like I said before, two locking casters here. They really do lock this thing in. So that's cool. You definitely want to have some way to lock it without it rolling off. Now it does have 4 swivels, so it doesn't roll like a shopping cart where you have 2 stationaries and 2 swivel. All 4 of these swivels, so you can get it pretty much anywhere in a kitchen or wherever you're going to use this. That's very helpful. That way you don't have to, swing it in. You can just push it in where it needs to go. It also comes again with these hooks, and you can hook things on here, like let's say you're hanging pots or pans or whatever on it. Just a really nice cart. And just to show a little comparison here, I threw a couple ice chests on there. One is electric, one is just a regular ice chest. And again, it's very big. I mean, this thing can hold up to 1,000 pounds, it says. So it just lets you know how big it is, how nice the casters are. I'm actually going to be using this cart in my shop, so it's going to have a little bit different use. So you don't have to use it in a kitchen, but obviously it would work great in a kitchen. But yeah, I really like it. I definitely think you will too. And I hope all of this information is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.